How to get free stocks and grow your portfolio pretty much instantly. Believe it or not, there are actually a bunch of ways out there to get free stocks and build a nice little starter stock portfolio without spending a single dollar. That's what we're going to be talking about in depth today. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Phil here from Money Authority. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell right next to it for more videos like this focused around crypto, stocks, and finance in general. Also, guys, I just want to mention we're offering a free trial for Crypto Booster, a software that lets you easily invest in the best cryptocurrencies on autopilot. You'll find the links to that in the description down below. Now, with all that said, let's get right into it. So again, we're going to be discussing various strategies to build up a nice little starter stock portfolio completely for free. So how does this work? Well, believe it or not, there are actually quite a few services out there that are pretty much willing to gift you a share of a company simply by signing up for their service. Now, before you go, aha, that's the catch, you have to pay for whatever crappy service they're offering, that's actually not the case. For the three methods that we're going to be covering today, again, I want to stress you don't have to pay for any service or invest a ton of time, etc., anything like that. All you have to do is essentially sign up for these services and collect your free stock. Now, another nice thing I want to mention is the fact that you can potentially get stocks worth quite a considerable amount of money. Stocks like Apple, for instance, which as of this recording is worth around $200 or so. And as you'll see later on in this video, you can also potentially get your hands on about $1,000 in cash as well, which you can then use to purchase any stocks of your choosing. So that is essentially another awesome little way to build out a starter stock portfolio. Now, to be 100% fair, the chances of getting a smaller stock or cash amount is definitely much greater compared to getting one of these bigger stocks like Apple or getting a $1,000 cash reward. You're much more likely to get a stock or cash amount in the realm of $5 to $25. I believe the biggest amount that I have personally received from these methods was about $60 from one individual reward. But in spite of that, I must also stress that there are ways to continue to earn additional stock rewards and cash bonuses with these services after you sign up. I'll get to that a little bit later on in this video. But essentially, through these methods, you can potentially accumulate hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. I myself have personally gotten several hundreds of dollars from these methods, and while that isn't obviously a huge amount of money in the grand scheme of things, I'm certainly not turning it down. It's free money. So by using these methods, you can continue to build up a nice little starter stock portfolio, so to speak, or just get some additional funds that you can put towards whatever. You could just cash it all out and put it into Bitcoin or crypto, or just cash it out directly into your bank account if that is what you want. For myself personally, I decided to take these funds and build out a nice little dividend portfolio that I'm going to be slowly building over time. Again, that's just my personal preference. What you do with these free stocks or rewards is entirely up to you. So now that you essentially know how this works and how much you can earn, let me dive into the various services that allow you to get free stocks and cash rewards just for signing up. Number one on our list is Robinhood. Now, a lot of you watching probably already know of Robinhood or even have an account with them. As far as I know, Robinhood was pretty much one of the first major services that made this whole getting a free stock for signing up thing popular in the first place. So Robinhood is an up-and-coming stockbroker service. They're known for allowing users to buy and sell stocks without paying any fees or commissions, unlike a lot of other legacy stockbrokers out there. And again, in addition to that, they're also relatively well known for giving you a completely free stock just for signing up. However, just a word of caution, before you go sign up on their homepage, you do need to have the right invite or the right link in order to claim your free reward or free stock. Now, in the description below this video, I do have invite links for the various services I describe in this video. These invite links will give you your free stock or cash reward for signing up. Now, full disclosure, these are referral links, so in addition to you getting a free stock or cash reward when you sign up, I will also receive some sort of bonus. So if you want to support the channel or you're just feeling nice or generous, feel free to use those links in the description down below. So essentially, once you click on that Robinhood invite link, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. If you sign up to Robinhood through that link, you'll be given a free stock that could be worth up to around $200. There's no minimum investment amount, no fine print, and again, there's no fees or commissions for any trades you do on this platform, so that is a nice little incentive to use Robinhood as well. Now, one last thing I want to mention with regards to Robinhood is that there's no telling how long this free stock thing is going to last. They are starting to get pretty popular these days, and this sign-up bonus thing was essentially their way of breaking into a very crowded market, so you'll probably want to take advantage of this offer sooner rather than later. So essentially, don't miss out. Moving on to the next service, number 2 on our list is Webull. Webull is another relatively new stockbroker like Robinhood. However, there is one big difference. You need to access their platform through their mobile app. To be honest, I don't think their app is as user-friendly or as polished as Robinhood, but the free stocks they offer just for signing up more than makes up for that. So similar to Robinhood, once you sign up via a special invite link, you will be rewarded a free stock worth up to $1,000 actually. So in this case, the potential reward can be much greater than what you'd get on Robinhood, because again, Robinhood's free stocks tend to max out around $200. So that's another reason why I definitely suggest signing up to Webull, because the potential reward here just for signing up is much greater. Just like Robinhood, there's no minimum investment, no hidden requirements, and there's zero fees or commissions for any trades you do on Webull. So again, there are some additional incentives here to actually use this app as a stockbroker service if you're in the market for one. Now, also like Robinhood, again, you do need to use a special invite link in order to claim your free stock. Again, you can find the invite links which give you the free stock and cash rewards to all of these services in the description down below, so feel free to click the Webull invite link down there in order to claim your free stock. Now, last but not least on our list, we have a similar service called NVSTR. Now, NVSTR is similar yet also a bit different compared to Robinhood and Webull. It's similar in that it's essentially another stock brokerage that's offering free rewards just for signing up. However, unlike Robinhood and Webull, there are a couple of conditions here. First, you can't withdraw your free rewards funds for 1 year. Second, you must do at least one trade within the first month of opening your account. Now, if you fulfill those conditions, a free cash reward worth up to $1,000 is yours. Now, I know the conditions here are a bit annoying, but at the same time, you definitely can earn some nice free money with NVSTR. I personally have earned hundreds of dollars in cash from this service, and I've used these funds to help with building out that small little dividend portfolio that I mentioned earlier. Also, with regards to that last condition of needing to perform one trade within the first month, from my understanding, that doesn't mean you need to deposit your own money and then make a trade. I believe you can use the cash reward they give you to perform your first trade, and then essentially the funds are yours. Now, another thing that is a bit different with this service compared to Robinhood or Webull is the fact that they don't give you shares of a company as a reward. They actually just credit your account with cash, and then you can use that cash to invest in any stock or fund you want. So it's a slightly more annoying process than the other two brokerages I covered before, but ultimately it's still free money, so why not take advantage of it? Plus, the baseline reward for signing up is a bit higher than Robinhood or Webull, so I believe at a minimum you'll receive around at least $20. Now, just like the previous two services, you do need a special invite link in order to receive that sign-up bonus. Again, you can find the invite link for NVSTR and the other services covered in this video in the description down below, so don't miss out on your free cash reward potentially worth up to $1,000. Go ahead and click that link below to take advantage. So guys, those are the 3 services that give you free stocks and cash rewards just for signing up. However, there are ways to continue earning more free stock and cash rewards on these platforms. And essentially, you can continue getting these rewards by participating in their referral programs. Robinhood, Webull, and NVSTR all offer nice, easy referral programs that essentially allow you to keep getting free money over time. So the way it works, once you sign up, you'll need to navigate to their referral program page. Here's some examples of what these pages look like. You essentially grab your referral link and you just share that with people that are potentially interested in using these services. So if you have any friends that are into investing, or your parents or siblings or relatives are looking for a new brokerage service and want some free cash, or if you have some sort of social media following, sharing these links with them are all great ways to continue earning more free stocks and cash rewards as time goes on. And again, between these various services, you can earn potentially thousands of dollars, and that right there is potentially a very nice little starter portfolio that you can continue growing with time, or just cash directly into your pocket. Either way, it's free money, so I definitely recommend taking advantage of it while these deals are around. And with all that said, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Again, the special invite links to all of these services covered in this video are in the description down below. Definitely be sure to take advantage of those links if you want to get your hands on some free stocks and cash rewards. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I do videos like this every week, and your support really helps small channels like this one grow. I also highly recommend joining our free Facebook group. It's for crypto, stocks, and finance enthusiasts just like yourself. Also, I do recommend checking out our free trial for Crypto Booster, a software tool that lets you automatically invest in the best cryptocurrencies on autopilot. You can find the links to both the free group and the free Crypto Booster trial in the description down below. Lastly, guys, this goes without saying, but I'm not a financial advisor. This is not professional investment advice telling you to buy or sell anything. This is just me covering some stuff in the financial space that I find interesting. Always do your own research before spending or investing any of your own money. For all that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.